Is this just for camping or for power outages like we're having right now? Today we're going to look at the Bougerv Telescopic Camping Light. It says telescopic from 3 to 7.5 feet tall, illuminates 10,000 square feet or 490 meters squared. Camp light brightness is 3,000 lumens max. Rechargeable runtime 90 plus hours. Color temperature white, yellow, and red. Comes in the box, well packaged. It's got the light on the top. It's got a really big tripod. It's pretty heavy duty construction, all metal on the base. You can see the light here. It's got the LEDs all the way around. It's got the power button on the bottom, as well as an input or output for USB 3. Here's the stats for the unit. It's got a little push locking mechanism to lock the legs in place so that they don't get all over the place and damaged while in storage or motion. You can see that it has a super easy track system to help it slide up and down, putting it where you need it to go. You can see that it has a pretty wide base. It also has a tightening nut around the center so that you can see where you want it to go, up or down. So it's got one tightening nut here, and then it's got a secondary tightening nut on the top, which allows it to go up to 7 feet to be above everyone's head while you are camping. It does a single button push down, and you'll see here we are currently during a power outage, and it has a super bright light, allowing it to completely light up the room. So whether you're camping or off-grid, it gives you excellent output. You'll see here it came right out of the box, and it's got 3 out of 4 bars for the battery already charged. And so you have separate modes. This one here is on the side. We've got it on 2 sides, so you can do it directional. You can do it on 3 sides, or you can have it run on all sides. You can also make it have a colored hue. Double colored hue, triple colored hue, 4-side colored hue. You can also have a spotlight on the top. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's a big spotlight up on the roof. So if you just want to have a spotlight, you can also do that as well. And you can see here that this is pretty heavy duty construction. It also has a handle here, which is pretty heavy duty handle so that you can go ahead and carry it with you wherever you need to go. It's got super heavy duty magnets on the bottom, so you can literally put it anywhere that you need light. Like investigating a power outage? Yep. You can carry it as a lantern, and you can also use it as a flashlight directional. So earlier I saw it as a spotlight, but you can also use it as a flashlight, which is pretty bright on its own. And if you're ready to mount it on top of the tripod, it's got the simple threading here, where you can quickly thread it onto the tripod for sturdy durability. Secured and ready to light up your needs. Now on the base, not only does it have this really nice aluminum big leg, but it also has supporting legs on all the sides to go ahead and support the large structure to keep it steady wherever you're placing it. Comes with a pretty nice carrying bag. You can see here that it's pretty heavy duty construction with a double zipper to completely open it or to have 2 zippers just in case one fails. It also has an adjustable shoulder strap so that you can go ahead and carry it along with you wherever you may go, whether it's on the trail, from the garage. This little Bougerv light definitely came in handy. We had a power outage for 2 hours, came out of the box with 3 bars, 2 hours of light, still with 3 bars, and it was able to light up the house while we had a power outage, giving us some much needed safety. So you don't need to just use it for camping. You can also use it for family safety and power outages. The Bougerv Telescopic Camping Light is definitely gonna work for our needs. And we might need to get another one for the house as a backup.